Hi, I'm Carolyn Scaglione, and I just purchased this house and wanted to share some stuff with you. So I was on Facebook and saw the Antolin, and at the time I was living in a different house. Unfortunately, that house was super small and the things I wanted done wouldn't be possible. So I told him I would keep his number and let him know. And then eventually, not long after I purchased, I sold that house, bought this one, and called him immediately to help me out with this one. I have to say, first impressions mean a lot, and he definitely is a great guy to work with. I've done a few remodels before, nothing to this extent. I've done landscaping, worked with contractors. I've done another home with interior contractors. And to be honest, I haven't really been happy a lot of the times with the contractors because it was black or white with them, and I felt they weren't listening to me. With Antolin and his whole team, they've listened to me to no end and said they would make the changes that I wanted. And it was better that I communicated that to them early on instead of at the end. So I have to say, Antolin's been wonderful. His team has really been great. And I feel like it's more of a family that I'm working with versus a contractor. It's definitely been a good relationship. I have a little issue myself with being extremely perfectionist and wanting things done a certain way. And he has not ever said, you can't do that, you should do this, but he guides me. And I would have a vision and it may or may not have worked. So he just gave me recommendations, but I was pretty much making, those decisions on my own with his guidance, which was great. My husband passed away a while ago, and doing this on my own was kind of scary. Antolin took me to the places that he had confidence in, and we were able to look at all the products and purchase the ones that I wanted, such as the countertops and all the backsplash and things like that. So I felt that he guided me in a really easy manner, but never said, you must do this or you must do that. So I found the process quite lovely. I enjoy shopping. So it was really fun to pick out appliances and the accessories and all the countertops and cabinets. So it was a good experience. From the day we said go, they have shown up. They work really hard, long hours, and they are trying to accomplish things that normally would probably take a lot longer in the time frame that I requested. He has kept me informed in all of the steps, when this is going to go in and when that's going to be done and the cabinets arrive and things like that. So he's gone above and beyond from day one, and his wife is a part of that whole thing as well. She's gone shopping with us, and she has put in her design, advice as well. And I think her and I agree on a lot, and I have to thank both of them because that's where they helped me, pick out certain things. And I really had a mindset on some things and realized that probably wasn't the best design. And they've kind of just guided me into a way where it's all come together now. I definitely would recommend Imagine Unique Construction. I've actually already talked to Antolin about helping me on a condo that I own, which needs definitely some updating as well. And by seeing the work that his entire team has done, from the tile work, all the guys who did the backsplash and the countertops, their quality of work is something that exceeded my expectation, to be honest. And I have a really high expectation. Like I said, I'm a perfectionist and I want things done a certain way and I want it to look how it is. And in all the jobs and all the houses that I have done, his team has completely amazed me. So I would highly recommend them. I will use him again. Heaven knows if I'm going to buy another house, but if I do and it needs work, Imagine Unique Construction will be the team that I call.
Got you by my side. Got you by my side.
Wow.
Another amazing kitchen by Imagine Unique Construction.